Welcome to Auto Turbo Heels. Today we're diving into something that feels less like a car and more like a work of art engineered for speed, the 2026 Pagani F1. Whenever you hear the name Pagani, you instantly think of sculpted carbon fiber, extreme attention to detail, and performance numbers that make even seasoned car enthusiasts take a step back. But the F1 isn't just another hypercar from Horacio Pagani's vision, it's a machine that redefines what exclusivity and innovation look like in the automotive world. The 2026 Pagani F1 is built with one mission: to push limits beyond imagination. Unlike anything the brand has produced before, this car is a fusion of Formula One inspiration and road legal engineering, a rare blend that combines raw motorsport DNA with the luxury Pagani is celebrated for. The exterior is where the magic begins. Every curve, every vent, every aerodynamic channel is functional, designed to slice through the air while creating immense downforce. Pagani has used its latest carbon titanium weave, a material lighter yet stronger than anything else in the industry, ensuring the F1 weighs just enough to feel like a feather on wheels while still maintaining rigidity and safety. Up front, the nose is sharp, reminiscent of F1 design but crafted with Pagani's artistic flair. Slim LED headlights are embedded into the sculpted bodywork, while the massive air intakes feed the beast lurking behind the driver. The rear is dominated by an aggressive diffuser, a quad exhaust setup that roars like thunder, and a massive active wing that changes position depending on speed and cornering forces. This is not a car designed to blend in, it's one designed to dominate roads and racetracks with equal drama. Open the butterfly doors and step into the cabin, and you're greeted with Pagani's trademark obsession with craftsmanship. The interior is a blend of exposed carbon fiber, milled aluminum, hand-stitched leather, and futuristic digital interfaces. The steering wheel is a work of art, with F1-inspired controls and a digital display giving the driver real-time performance data. Even the seats are sculpted like racing shells, hugging the driver tightly while offering enough comfort for road use. Unlike stripped-out track-only hypercars, the F1 gives you a taste of luxury while reminding you at every turn that you're sitting in something born from racing technology. But let's get to the heart of the matter: performance. At its core, the 2026 Pagani F1 is powered by a newly developed twin-turbo V12 engine crafted in partnership with AMG. Delivering over 1,300 horsepower, it's paired with an advanced hybrid system, adding an extra boost of electric torque for instant acceleration. The result is a 0 to 60 time under 2 seconds and a top speed rumored to exceed 260 miles per hour. Numbers like these place it firmly among the fastest and most powerful hypercars in existence. But what really sets it apart is how controllable and responsive it feels thanks to its Formula One-derived suspension and aerodynamics. Pagani didn't just want to build a straight-line rocket, they wanted to build a car that dances around corners. The F1's active aero system constantly adapts, shifting flaps and spoilers to balance downforce in real time. Combined with an ultra-lightweight chassis and cutting-edge traction systems, the car delivers an experience that feels like piloting a fighter jet on wheels. The sound alone is intoxicating, a raw symphony of turbocharged V12 mixed with futuristic electric whirring, creating an auditory experience that sends chills down your spine. Of course, all this comes at a price. The 2026 Pagani F1 is expected to cost upwards of $5 million, and with production limited to just a handful of units, exclusivity is guaranteed. For those lucky enough to get their names on the list, it's not just about owning a car, it's about owning a piece of automotive history. Each unit will be hand-built, customized to the buyer's specifications, and treated like a rolling piece of art that belongs in both a museum and on the racetrack. What makes the F1 so special isn't just its numbers or its looks, but the philosophy behind it. Pagani has always stood apart from other hypercar manufacturers by blending art and science in a way that feels timeless. The F1 is the latest chapter in that legacy, a car that embodies extreme innovation while staying true to the idea that cars can be both beautiful and brutally fast. For enthusiasts, the 2026 Pagani F1 represents the pinnacle of what modern hypercars can achieve. It's the kind of machine that captures imaginations, inspires future generations, and shows that even in an era of electrification and regulations, passion-driven engineering still has a place. Whether it's carving up a track, roaring through a mountain pass, or sitting as the centerpiece of a collection, the F1 is destined to be remembered as one of the greatest creations of its time. So, when you think of the 2026 Pagani F1, don't just think of it as a car. Think of it as a statement, a sculpture in motion, and proof that human creativity and engineering can reach heights that once seemed impossible.